how to get Xray on Minecraft Bedrock PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Xray on Minecraft Bedrock PC. First, open your browser and go to the breakdown.xyz. Now, search for the Xray texture pack for Minecraft Bedrock and click on it. Then tap the download button. Once it's downloaded, open the file from your downloads folder. It will launch Minecraft and start importing the pack. Now, go to Settings, then Global Resources and activate the Xray pack. Next, open or create a world and make sure the pack is active under Resource Packs. Now, you can play with Xray enabled. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.